Hey everyone, it's Mariah from the Petite Planner, and I'm back with my August plan with me. This one is super easy if you're just getting started or if you don't have motivation. I'm using these Carpe Diem stickers as my inspiration because I've been struggling hard. So I'm going to use the August page to inspire this very minimalist spread for the whole month. And I'm going to use some of my favorite pens, my Micron, and then some of my Magic Fly markers, which I will link in the description below. It's a huge set, very affordable, and it usually has colors to match everything. And so I picked out some that match the stickers, and that's what I'm going to use this month. So let's look at these stickers. They're super cool. There's a page for each month. I'm tempted to just try and do a whole year with them and see if I like it. But for now, I'm just going to use the August stickers to get my August journal done. I kind of like the September stickers better for August, but look at those October, y'all. But we're gonna go with a little bit of a summery theme for this last month of August, and then next month, I think I'm gonna have to use this school fall theme. So for the colors, I broke out my huge Magic Fly set. It has 100 markers, and I found colors that would match. The lids don't necessarily look like they match, but trust me, the colors do. And I highly recommend that set of markers, and I recommend everyone has a Sigma Micron pen. It's my favorite pen for drawing, and I'm just going to start with, I actually used my pencil and my favorite green ruler, and I sketched out my monthly setup here, but you can hand draw it. It doesn't matter. It doesn't have to be perfect. Maybe when I do the weekly page in a minute, I'll show you my hand drawing. I'm going to use the ruler right now. It gives me a little bit more of a precise line. But this is a super basic calendar layout. August starts on a Sunday, which makes a Sunday start calendar perfect and easy to do. And so I'm just going to finish up this basic calendar, and then we'll add some color and some stickers and show you how easy it is. What I'm really liking about this sticker set, and I have linked it in the description below, is that each of the pages has a sticker that's the name of the month. So that works great on a monthly setup, your calendar spread. I really like that. So if you're not comfortable with anything super fancy in terms of lettering, you can still get this sticker and you can figure out where you want to put it. It can go anywhere on the page, y'all. I'm going to put it here on the left. And then I'm going to use some of these matching markers, coordinating markers, to add some color, and then we'll do stickers. So I'm going to go across the top with the blue shade that matches the stickers. And then I'm just going to use my handwriting in all capitals to label these days of the week. I think I'm going to do the shortened version instead of writing everything out because I feel like it. I've been lacking motivation lately, and so just getting it done is a big deal. All right, so then this pink sort of matches. It's not the best match, but I'm going to use it here and do circles where I will write all the calendar numbers just to add a pop of color. You don't have to be a doodle king or queen. You can still have color and that little pop of cute very easily. Number each day, and so far I've got a nice calendar set up for the month. This yellow also coordinates with the stickers, and I'm going to use it for my extra space here for any extra notes I might need to take. Just another way. I'm just kind of highlighting almost every other line to add a pop of color here, and I'll just label it notes in that same handwriting of mine. And now we're ready for stickers. This is pretty much a free-for-all. I'm going to use stickers in my empty space. They all have the different colors, and so it's really just whatever you think looks good. And these actually peel off pretty well if you stick one and you don't like where you stick it. If I could get it on here. So you can just stick them where you want. I'm going to use these same stickers for my weekly layouts and my mood tracker and habit tracker, so I don't want to use them all on this page. Look at this bike. Super cute. I have to just decide where it could go. It could be cute up atop, but I think I like it right here on the bottom. And it's got that yellow color. And so you can just go crazy with these stickers. We could all be using the same sticker set, y'all, and we would have totally different setups, unless I guess you copied exactly where I put each sticker. And that's what I love about stickers. They make it super easy to get a super cute spread very quickly, very easily, and that's pretty cute. I like it. So moving on, I want to show you a very easy weekly spread. I don't show you these very often, but I promised I would do some hand drawing. I did pre-sketch it for spacing with my ruler, but here I go. I'm just drawing over my pencil lines and messing it up and just moving on. Yeah, I mess it up a lot, y'all, and it's okay. It still looks good in the end when it's all put together. But this is a super easy weekly spread. 6 boxes will give you a box for each day of the week and a weekend box. So if you want to try weekly spreads, this has been my go-to lately, and I've told you a lot of times I don't use weeklies very often, but lately things are getting a little bit busier, and so I think I might need them. Here's just the little splotch of color, and I'm going to do a different color for the next week. This is actually 2 weeks I'm showing you right now, so we'll have the first week of the month on the left and then the second week. I'm going to do a Monday start and just use the letter M for the days of the week. Just the letter, not only the letter M. But you can do different colors just to show yourself, you know, so your eyes can quickly glance and you know it's a different week. But you could do a whole month in like 4 or 5 pages here. Super easy. I'm going to add the date right here at the bottom. So Monday is the 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, etc. And you can do this with any theme. If you're doodling, any colors, and it works great with these stickers. So once again, I'm just going to use stickers from that August page, and I'm just going to put them around both weeks. I'm going to put a little blue on the yellow side and a little yellow on the blue side, and then who knows what else. You can go crazy, and you don't have to put them, you can turn them any way you want. You can just use them however you want, and because they're all color, I don't even know what that means, y'all. Because they're all color coordinated and kind of have this theme that the sticker makers put together, you're gonna get a cute bullet journal theme, and it's gonna be easy. So I think I'm gonna save the rest of those just in case I need them. But look how easy that is. That is one of the quickest ways to do weekly layouts. Okay, on to habit and mood tracker. I usually have them like this, facing each other. These are also going to be some very basic layouts. So I'm going to start with some color here. I'm going to use the blue and the yellow, and I'm just going to drag a line across the page. You can do a short line or a long line, and then I'm going to put the yellow in between, and then we'll write the word habits. I'm just keeping that capital letter handwriting, nothing fancy in terms of lettering. And then I had pencil marks, y'all. I erased them. I use pencil first all the time. So now let's show, I don't do my habit tracker this way all the time, but I do like this. And if you track a lot of habits, this layout will work really well. So I'm going to use some of the other colors I pulled to match the stickers, the green and the pink. And I'm just going to make some splotches of color here. And then I'm going to write the name of the habits I'm going to track. And so for me, that's sleep, water, and exercise. I've been working on those 3, and I'm really doing all right lately. So you could fill this page with these. That's what's awesome about this. I'm going to make a tiny calendar here. Some people use stamps. I have a stamp, but you can just write it. Put a little letter for each day of the week, like I'm doing, under each habit, and then go ahead and number it like whatever the calendar is for the month. So this month's easy because the first was on a Sunday. And then as you're tracking your habit, you just track it right underneath the label. And you could fill this whole page. I mean, I could probably fit 9 habits, but if I do it on that day, I'm just going to color in right over what day of the week it is. So this is, if you like to track a ton of habits, I highly recommend doing something like this. Now, if you track fewer habits, the stickers work well. I'm going to put this one right in the middle, and I still have room for like 5 more habits. Or you could fill it, you know, with more stickers, more color. So to go ahead with, I want these to coordinate because they face each other. So mood page, mood tracker is going to be opposite colors on the heading. But same label. Now this is very different than my usual mood tracker. I am going to do a big box here to start with. This is very easy to do, and you could use this for any month. You could use this for any theme. So it's a big rectangle that has the number of lines down as the same number of days in the month. So this one has 31 lines. I'm just going to number down the side of it in each line, 1 for the first, and then that's where I'm going to track it across. So 2, 3, 4, all the way down to 31 for this month. So this is super easy. You don't have to worry about, do I have enough space? You just do a line for each day. And then across the bottom, I'm going to put my scale. I typically track my anxiety and depression, and I track it on a rank. I rank it from like 1 to 10, with 1 being like super mellow day, 10 being very intense. So I'm going to number these across 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And then I'll use that to sort of, rate what each day was. You can do different colors. I will probably use a different color for each line, kind of like a pattern, and just draw a little bar out to hit the number that I'm kind of giving for the day. You could give each number a color, but it feels a little confusing. I feel like for me, what's going to work best is, today is the 1st. I'm recording this on the 1st. Hey, at least I'm getting it done. So right now, today has been a pretty good day so far. So it's like a 1, maybe a 2. I don't even know. It's pretty mellow. I'm enjoying Sunday. So I'm just going to, for now, draw the bar right there. And then tomorrow I'll use a different color. I'll use one of the other 3 colors. And then, like the other pages, it's on to sticker time to add those extra little details. And you can fit them in however you want. I might add a few more to the habits page now that I'm finishing up with my stickers. And I know I have enough for each page. But really, whether you're like new to bullet journaling or you've been in a funk like I have, and a few of you have emailed and let me know that you've been in a little bit of a funk, stickers, themed stickers are a great way to get back into it if you're like me and you like that little bit of cute factor and color, because they're going to give you your theme. You don't have to stress over your theme. It's going to give you some ideas. It's going to give you some color inspiration. And if you just roll with some pretty basic spreads and layouts like I have this month, you can get right back into it, y'all. And it's going to be cute, it's going to be colorful, and it's going to do what you need it to do. So thank you for watching this month, and if you need anything or have any questions, hit me up in the comments. Check out the links below for everything I used, and don't be afraid to send me a message or email me. Have a great month, y'all.